to today's video. Today is a unboxing video. We are going to unbox our 4 to 5 level, which is our first level at Beyond the Page. I'm going to show you everything that you get if you were to purchase the entire full year curriculum for ages 4 to 5. This is the beginner level, so it has the least amount of curriculum books, but it is packed full of great literature and a huge materials kit. So you will receive your parent manual and your student activity book. So the parent manual is going to walk you through everything that you need as the parent instructor, and then all the student activity pages are going to be in this student activity book. So just 2 of the curriculum books is what you need for the 4 to 5 level. Beyond the Page curriculum is a literature-based curriculum, so there is not a shortage of literature at the 4 to 5 level. It is full of amazing picture books that you're going to enjoy alongside with your child. Let's go through all the literature you're going to receive in the 4 to 5 package. Little Blue and Little Yellow, Dinosaurs Big and Small, Blueberries for Sal, But No Elephant, Fireflies, George Washington's Birthday, An Extraordinary Egg, A is for Musk Ox, Harold and the Purple Crayon, Hondo and Fabian, Marshmallow, Jump Frog Jump, What Do You Do with a Tail Like This, We're Going on a Leaf Hunt, Umbrella, The Seasons of Arnold's Apple Tree, The Little Island, The Biggest Valentine Ever, Night in the Country, Rain, Thanksgiving, The Quilt Story, Owl Babies, Millions of Cats, Zin Zin Zin, a Violin, Greedy Zebra, The Christmas Wish, Good Night Goon, Harry the Happy Mouse, The Real Mother Goose. You will be enjoying one of those books through every lesson throughout your child's school year. Now, let's take a look at the huge materials kit and everything that comes inside. So here is the materials kit for ages 4 to 5. I think this is one of the biggest material kits I've seen. Here is the full box contents. So if this is something you order, you can definitely go through, make sure. I love how we have everything organized so we know what units everything goes to and what common materials that you're going to be using across multiple lessons. Here's a little card that just calls out 2 of the units that either don't have their own bag or they may not have any manipulatives that you need. We have a world poster map, which is pretty large. This would be great to hang up in your schoolroom. And then a box full of goodies. So here's probably some of those common material kits. If it goes with a specific unit, we're going to see that labeled right here. So we can see that this is for Unit 19 with Jump Frog Jump. This is for the Thanksgiving unit. This is for Unit 22. Oh, this is the February celebrations. Unit 20. I absolutely love the organization here. This is so fun. Look at this for the Christmas unit. We have our Fireflies kit. This looks so much fun. Whole bag of cotton balls. We have some more individual unit items. Everything that you need. It's so organized so well. Halloween and Unit 18. We have a pack of modeling clay. Looks like a pack of sand. More materials for individual units. Some common materials. It looks like some rope and popsicle sticks. More individual unit items. We have a case full of index cards. We have some sticker packs for units, some pipe cleaners for units. I really like how some units only have like 1 or 2 things. Some units are full of stuff, so it's always going to be a variety. This looks like just some paper, a roll of craft paper, some paints. This is our violin unit. And here looks like some paper, common materials. Everything is shrink wrapped together. We have our hundreds number chart. And then it looks like some lined writing paper. So that is everything that you would get in your materials kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of the 4 to 5 level from Beyond the Page. There are other 4 to 5 videos that will help you understand more of how the curriculum is structured, what to expect, and how to get started with everything. Make sure to check out our other videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.